Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Argo Academic Care. I am present with the model answers of 5th week assignment of class 8 English version science subject. Subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet and click on the bell icon so you will not miss any update and notifications from our channel. So let us see the question at first. The question is given here. There are three questions. First one says what is the acceleration due to gravity is different at different places of the earth. We have to explain this. And the second question says your mass on earth is 50 kg. Explain. And why the weight decreases in moon. We have to explain why the weight decreases in moon. And in the third, there are three questions. This is basically an experiment. They say take some water in a clear glass and then put a stone into the water glass and perform three actions that they say at first: to observe the stone from above the glass, and to observe it from an oblique angle, and at last we have to observe it from a level just below the water surface. And we have to explain what happens in these events and why this happens. So we have a model answer presented here beforehand and we will explain now it to you. First, the solution 1, here we have written that the question was why the value of acceleration due to gravity changes for different places on earth. Now we have to look at the equation, that is G equal to gm by r square. Here G and m are constants, we have written here, but the radius is not constant. As the earth is not a perfect sphere, so the radius differs at different places. Likewise in the polar region the radius is minimum, so from this equation we will find that the G is maximum there. Other than that, the radius of earth is maximum for the equatorial region where the G should be minimum. So we can see for the shape of earth being not a perfect square, the G will differ in different locations of earth. Secondly, there is another reason for this. That is due to the diurnal motion of the earth, that is for 24 hours earth has its own motion along its axis. Due to this motion, at every places you will see that an object tends to get out of the earth. As a result, the net weight of the object decreases on the surface. So we can say due to the motion of earth along its own axis, the value of G decreases at different locations of the earth, and it increases if we move from the equator to the pole. And the same happens due to the radius. So we can say that the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth is not fixed, it is different due to different locations. Now we have completed the number 1 answer. Now let us move on to the next question. It is your mass is given that your mass is 50 kg. We have to explain why it decreases on the surface of the moon. Now let us see that mass of a body is a fundamental property and it is constant. It will usually not change due to any location change or anything, but the weight is a force and it depends on the acceleration due to gravity. So if we change the acceleration due to gravity, the weight decreases or increases. If we move to the moon, we will see that moon is in both mass and shape, it is smaller than earth. As a result, the value of acceleration due to gravity of moon is very less and it is considered almost about 1/6 part of that on earth. So if the acceleration due to gravity on earth is considered 9.8 meter per second square, then we can see at moon it will be almost 1.625 meter per second square. So the weight on the moon will be 15 to 1.625. So we have calculated that the weight on moon is very less than that in earth. We have calculated that in earth is 490 Newton, but in moon it comes to be 81.25. That is very less. So due to the shape and size of moon, the weight of an object of 50 kg mass on moon is very less than that of a body in earth. So we can say that any object that has 50 kg mass will have a mass of 50 kg in moon also, but the weight will be very less. Now the final question, it is the 3 number. We have an experiment. It is better we perform this experiment at home using a real glass of water and any object like stone, anything. If you put it inside water in the glass and observe from above it, you will find that the object will seem to be slightly above. This is due to the refraction. You know what happens in refraction? The light travels obliquely from the stone. From the stone, it comes out of the water and enters the air medium. Since water medium is denser than the air medium, so light gets more deviated and spread out wide. In that case, it appears that the light is coming from a place just above the stone. Like I have made a representation here of small. That is a smaller stone. This stone is placed in water. Now the light that is coming from the stone has come out of the water and spread widely at a bigger angle. Now this appears to be coming from a place just above the height of the stone. So we can see from above that the stone will appear to be slightly higher position than its actual position. Besides this, there is another case. The object will look like it is having a bigger shape. The refracted object will have a bigger shape. We will find due to refraction the light is spreading out, and so the image will be created in a bigger form. So in the first case, if we observe from above the glass, we will see that the stone is having a bigger volume, and also it is raised above the actual height. So this is the first case that happens. So if you perform the experiment at home, you will see this same result. In the second case, they have said you have to look obliquely. Now in that case, in an oblique vision, you will see the same results. Due to oblique vision, the rays of the light coming from the stone will be deviated in a greater angle. Like in this first experiment, this is the same case. There will be a greater angle, and you will see that the stone has raised, and also you will see that the stone looks greater in volume. So this is the second case. You have a model answer presented on the screen, so you can follow it, and you can also take an idea from the experiment and perform the experiment at home, and finally you can write your assignments in your own way. And in the last case, we are seeing that we have to look at a position just below the water surface, like you are watching the stone in the glass from sidewise or from a lower level. In that case, the refraction will not happen like in the first case, because you are watching directly from inside the glass, and so the rules is not same in this case. So you will see that the object is almost of the same shape and same size and in the same position where it actually is. There the refraction is not actually occurring in the same way that happened in the first two cases. So this was a model answers of our 5th week assignment of science English version. I hope you are getting a good idea from this video, and you can now make your assignment in your own way. You have no more confusions after watching this video. So thanks for staying with us. Don't miss to subscribe our channel and don't miss any update. So you have to click on the bell icon so you don't miss any update from our channel.